Okay, so for number 5, it asks you for two different ways that you can stack 40 cubes to make a rectangular prism. So what you should be thinking about is what could be your length, width, and height so that those 40 cubes get put in perfectly. So on the form over here, I put some options for you. This is just to streamline it and make sure that I can actually check your answers and give you feedback right away, because there's a lot of different ways you can put the cubes together. So what you should really be thinking about is which of those answers would be 40 if you multiplied your length by your width, which is going to give you your base, by your height, which is how many layers you have. So when you're looking at the questions there, you take a look at number 1 and it says 10 by 4 by 1. So that means you would have a length of 10, a width of 4, and only one layer high. So this guy would be one layer of 40. So this guy checks out. The next one says 4 by 5 by 1. So that means your base would be 4 by 5, which is 20, but you only have one layer of it. So this one would not equal 40. It would equal 20 because you have one layer of 20. Now, if this was 2, it would be right, but with only one layer, it's not going to work. So let's take a look at the next one. A 5 by 2 by 4. 5 by 2 means your base layer would be 10. And if you had 4 layers of 10, that would be 10, 20, 30, 40. So this one does check out. The last one, now this one shouldn't work because it says select 2. This one's really big. It's a 20 by 10 by 10. Now I can see if I added all these together, it would be 20 plus 10 plus 10 does equal 40. But multiplying them right away, the base layer here, 20 by 10 would be 200. And then you would have 10 layers of 200. So I know that that's going to be 2,000. This guy does not equal 40.